In 2021, I started building a macro tracking app with no prior programming experience, and today that app runs all of my clients' nutrition programs for me. What's up, guys? Kyle with Hypertrofit and PectusWarriors.com. Today, I'd like to introduce you to Macro Chief, the iOS app that I personally coded with zero background in software development. I've been a personal trainer and a nutrition coach for a decade now, and without a doubt, the biggest struggle for any person that I work with, regardless of the fitness goal, is nutrition. I wanted to take everything that I knew about building and adjusting a nutrition program and fully automate that process. I started learning iOS development in 2021 with the help of two YouTube channels, Sean Allen and Swiftful Thinking. The stuff these guys put out for free was quite literally enough to teach me an entirely new skill set. I spent the next few months going through every tutorial I could to build a general understanding of programming principles, Xcode, and SwiftUI, and then started to build. Over the next 3 years, what started as a single screen nutrient calculator that gave basic macro targets based on a goal and body weight eventually grew into a standalone nutrition coaching solution that rivals the biggest players in this space and fully runs my clients' nutrition programming for me. These guiding principles behind Macro Chief are how I built it. Number one, minimize time spent logging food. This is the biggest block for most people, so lowering friction here was crucial. Number two, simplify nutrition by focusing on calories and protein. 3, make the highest value metrics immediately visible with deeper insights quickly accessible. And number 4, replace the need for a coach. I honestly couldn't be bothered calculating my own numbers at this point, so I needed to create a system to do it for me. The first thing that you do in Macro Chief is provide your basic stats, current fitness goal, eating preferences, and let it go to work. It builds a custom macro program and explains everything that it's doing and why. After a brief overview of the app features, you'll be left with a program to follow and an incredibly powerful tracking tool, a food database with over 1 million verified foods based in the US market, a barcode scanner for quick lookup, and the ability to create your own custom foods, meals, and recipes. For the best results, weigh in multiple times per week. This helps the algorithm establish a weight trend and track your food intake every day. At the end of each week, on a day that you set, Macro Chief will run a quick analysis of your weekly average weight change and nutrient intake and make recommendations for the next week based on your goal and your progress. This is true whether or not you follow the recommendations. The beauty of this system is the program gets more and more accurate regardless of your adherence to the plan. There are multiple algorithms running under the hood that have to be in alignment to change your calories and macros. There is no judgment, just simple direction. Macro Chief is free to download and use. Your initial program and daily food logging doesn't cost a thing. The weekly coaching and check-in portion does require a premium subscription, but you have options to try a 14-day trial to give it a shot and see if you like it. If you just want to track your food and aren't interested in the coaching features, you can do that for free forever. And here we are, 4 years later. Macro Chief has been in the App Store for nearly a year and a half, and I continue to add more to it every month. iOS development has become a huge passion of mine, and I plan to make Macro Chief the greatest food logging experience that you can find on an iOS device. If you'd like to give it a try, you can click on the link in the description, and I would love to hear any feedback that you have, good or bad. If you have features that you would like to see, let me know. There's a good chance that I'll add them if I like the idea. If you enjoyed this video, consider liking and subscribing, and I'd be happy to cover Macro Chief more in depth in the future if there's any interest, as well as my journey into iOS development. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will catch you again in the next one.